And in front of me is Infinix Hot 9, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first just open the settings, then find and select dim and lock screen, and here click on My Wallpaper. Pick one from your gallery or something from Live Wallpapers. You can also choose some from internal wallpaper. Let me pick, for example, this one, and if you want to apply it, just click on Apply. Then decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, your lock screen, or both of them. I will pick both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.